We're connecting limits and their graphical behavior here. So there's nothing new on these. It's just a matter of making sure that it is what it is. We have multiple answers that could be, so just kind of be careful on that. Okay, consider the graph. So this is the h function. Which limit, so they're asking which limit expressions agree with the graph. Okay, so we're looking for which ones agree. Notice we have the S, meaning plural. Choose all that apply, so we just got to be careful about that. So we'll just look at each one individually. All right, first one. The limit, that's a plus sign right here. So it's going in from the positive. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on this. Means I have to jump more, but okay. So we can see it a little bit better. All right, so the limit as we go to -1 from the right side is 6. The limit as we go to -1 from the right side is 6. Yes, that's this one right here. So as we go to -1, the output is 6. So that one's good. Let's look at the next one. Just make sure these are all h of x's. Yes, that's good. So the limit as we go to -5 from the left side is an output of -3. So -5 from the left side. -5 from the left side is right here, and the output is -2, not -3. So that's a distractor. We're just looking at where does it go to. It gets endlessly close to -2 as an output. Never touches it. Okay. If we touched it, then it would be at that -3, but we're not touching it. So it's -2 is the answer. So that's -2, not -3. So no on that one. And then the last one, the limit as we go to 4 from both sides. The limit as we go to 4 from both sides should have an output of -5. The limit as we go to 4 from both sides has an output of -5. And yes, it goes to -5 from both sides. So that one is also true. Got it? See if the next one's any different. Which graph agrees with this statement right here? So we're going in the other, going kind of from the other direction. The last one was graph to equation. This one is equation to graph. So we're going to -1 from the left side with an output of 2. So we're going to -1 from the left side with an output of +2. -1, so everything looks good on that one. Yep, so that agrees. Choose all that applies, so we're looking. So from the left side to -1, output of 2. The left side of -1, output of 2. Yep. The left side going to -1 has an nope, that has an output of -1, not +2. If we went from the right, it would be, but that one's not it. None of the above, so we got those 2. So it's just going through each one, checking to see which works. Got it. Looks like they're all similar.